according to the Association of Mutual Funds in India, there are now about 93.4 million SIP accounts in India, highlighting the growing popularity of mutual funds. In the fiscal year 2023 to 2024, alone, a whopping 1,99,000 crore was invested through these accounts, an impressive 114% increase from FY 2018 to 2019. This shows that investors are increasingly seeing mutual funds as a vital part of their investment strategy. In fact, people who started SIPs 10 years ago have seen their money grow by at least 12% annually. So you might be wondering, what exactly is an SIP? How does it work? And why are so many people investing in it? Let's dive into these questions in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore what SIP is and how it works. We'll also cover the key benefits of SIPs and some essential tips to keep in mind before you invest. Let's get started. What is SIP? A systematic investment plan is a convenient way to invest in mutual funds. With an SIP, you invest a fixed amount regularly, say monthly, rather than a lump sum. You can start with as little as 500 rupees a month, making it accessible to many. Think of SIP like a recurring deposit. You make a small regular contribution, helping you build wealth steadily over time.
La la la, wait till I get my money right.
How does SIP work? First, choose a mutual fund scheme. Pick a mutual fund that suits your investment goals. Second, invest regularly. Commit to investing a fixed amount of regular intervals. Third, receive units. Based on the net asset value of the scheme on the day of investment, you receive a specific number of units. Number 4, grow over time. With each investment installment, you accumulate more units, and over time, these small investments grow significantly. The best part is you can start, stop, and change your investment plan anytime you want, which makes it flexible and easy way to build money over time. You can think of SIP as a small sapling that will grow over time into a big tree with a small amount of water which you give regularly. Now let's see the benefits of SIP. There are many benefits of SIP which make them a popular choice for investors, especially for those who are new to SIP. First, build a saving habit. SIPs help to get you into a habit of saving regularly by investing a fixed amount of money every month, helping you for a long-term financial success. Number 2, rupee cost averaging. With SIPs, you invest a fixed amount of money regularly without worrying about the market ups and downs. This means you buy more units when the market is low and less when the market is up. This helps you to buy units at a lower price over time. Number 3, power of compounding. This means the earlier you start, the more you grow. With SIPs, the returns you have earned are reinvested, which helps you to grow your amount more over time. Number 4, flexibility. You don't need a lot of money to start SIP. You can start with small investments, and over time, you can increase the investing amount. You can stop, pause, or modify your investment at any time. Number 5, accessibility to expert management. When you start investing in mutual funds through SIPs, your money is managed by professional fund managers, making sure you maximize the profit and reduce the risk. Now that we have learned about SIP and its benefits, to make things more clear, let's look into a real-world example. If you invest 5,000 rupees every month from September 2024 to September 2034, your total investment would be 6 lakh. With an annual return of 11%, this would grow to around 23 lakh, more than 3 times your initial investment. If you doubled your monthly investment to 10,000 rupees, your total amount would grow to approximately 47 lakh 15,000. This illustrates the incredible potential of SIPs. But before starting SIPs, there are a few things that you should keep in mind. Key tips to remember. Number 1, choose wisely. When you are picking a mutual fund, look at its past performance. But remember, the past isn't always a guarantee of the future. Number 2, direct versus regular plans. Some plans come with extra fees because they pay commissions to the agents. If you can manage your investments on your own, go for a direct plan to save your money. Number 3, patience is the key. SIPs work better over the long term. So the longer you invest, the better you grow. In summary, SIPs are an excellent way to invest in mutual funds with manageable risk. By sticking to a disciplined investment approach, you can achieve substantial growth over time. That's all for today's video. Now you're ready to start your SIP journey and watch your investments grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to understand finance tips. See you in the next video.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.